have this thing. So for recognizing anything, you should collect knowledge. By that you can recognize anything, whatever you know.
And okay, and if you want to support to poor people without money, you can also support the poor people, and on that condition you can support to our. Okay, if you have money, then
they have no knowledge for recognize anything, so then how will they recognize which color that is?
And in some of the situations.
Thank you so much for clicking this video. Again, we have come here with other activity. What is that? Let me tell you. The name of that activity, Philip Talks. What is the name of that activity? Philip Talks. I will be calling two students. They will come and they are going to speak on topic. Now, I would like to call Miss Sandhya. Just come. And the second, I would like to call Miss Mahima. Just come. Ladies and gentlemen, let the big clap for both. Stand on here. Stand on here.
Okay, as we all know that money is very important in our life. Without money, we cannot feel perfect in this world. Yes. And everything is all about money.
Yes.
And without money, we can't do anything perfectly, and we can't get respect as in everyone. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Miss Sandhya, and I am standing here to speak disadvantage of money. I think according to me, money is not everything, because if you don't have money, you can go anywhere, and if you have too much money, after that you will think as like only I am a rich person, and you will never give respect to poor people. So it's a disadvantage of money. Okay, there is also present many person, they don't think they have although more money and they help to other person. They don't think that I am rich and I am everything. They also share their money to any other one. They help to any poor person, either means who is not able to do their work. They help in that works to them. By the money, many people they are unable for recognizing what is wrong and what is right. So it's a disadvantage of money, and many people they are thinking only I can go anywhere and can go anywhere without money. We cannot go anywhere without money. We can.
No, you don't have to distract. You don't have to distract. Just keep speaking.
Okay. Without money, we can't go anywhere. As everyone says that we can go by our foot anywhere, but without energy, we cannot go by our foot. There is also need of money for getting energy, for getting food. Then only I would like to say that.
Keep speaking.
Only I would like to say that without money, nothing can be done in this world. Everything is all about money. And in this time, everything is not all about money, because if you don't have character on that, if you have character on that time, you can perform well. And if you have money but you are characterless on that time, no one will give respect to you. So it's a disadvantage of money, and just try to make your character. Okay, if you have money, then a person will ask that. Okay, and if you have money, only rich people will ask to you, and on that time you will think as like I will spend more and more than money, and you understand thing as like I should go any other country for investing your money, not saving your money. And okay, and if you want to support to poor people without money, you can also support the poor people, and on that condition you can support to our. Okay, if you have money, then as we all know that money is paramount in life. If you have money, then person will ask, and how are you? And if you have no money, then person will ask, who are you?
That's great. Who are you? Flip.
Okay, if you don't have money, if you have money, how to talk with someone, and if you know how to respect to someone, on that condition you can be a winner of in the world, and you can get a lot of facility by the people, because many people they don't have money, they are surviving very well, and according to people, they are saying money is everything. It is not everything, because many divorce cases is happening because of money. So it's a disadvantage of money, and many people, and a lot of person are thinking that if I have money, then I can help to any other one, and if we have money, then we can do anything. We can read. We can go anywhere. Means by the money, it's all about money. None can believe that anything can be done by money. Is in this world nowadays. Money.
Flip.
Okay, and nowadays people are thinking Money is not everything, because if money is everything, on that
You have to speak. Keep speaking. Keep on speaking. You cannot stop.
money is everything, because if you have money, then everyone will respect you. It is not everything. If money is everything, on that condition, no one will believe.
Speak. Keep on speaking. Don't stop. You have to speak. Keep on speaking.
Which I was speaking, that if you have money, then everyone will respect you. If you have no money, then none will respect you. Only by their means
What
you
am I?
will show.
Okay. Now you all may go. You may go.
Okay, our time has done. If any mistake has been made by us, so please forgive us.
Okay. So next, I would like to call Mr. Rajkumar. Just come. And I would like to call Miss Sonam. Just come. Ladies and gentlemen, let's a big clap for both. Do you know perfect about this activity?
Yes, I
Okay, now we start speaking about which topic do you want to speak? First of all, let me know.
Education.
About education.
not knowledge.
Knowledge, you want to speak about knowledge.
Knowledge.
Advantage or disadvantage?
Advantage.
You want to speak advantage
Yes.
and you want to speak a disadvantage. Am I right? Okay. Now we start speaking, Mr. Rajkumar sir.
Okay, so now I would like to speak about knowledge.
You can use. Yeah. You can.
Oh, knowledge. So first of all, I would like to speak about knowledge.
Yes.
So I'd like to say, if you have knowledge, so you can do anything, whatever you want to do, and whatever you want to do, you can do easily. Okay, like if you want to speak before up any person, so you can speak. If you
Yes.
want to show a performance before up any person, so you can speak.
Flip.
Okay, so as we all know that I have gotten this topic means disadvantage of knowledge.
Yes.
And as we all know that knowledge is not as much better. We can say we all are using of knowledge in wrong way. We know perfectly about any things perfectly, but we use of in wrong way that things.
If you want to do something in India or in anywhere, so first of all you will have to collect knowledge. By that you can do whatever you want to do. Like in this time social media is running more, so there is more activity running by the knowledge, because they have knowledge. That's why they are using social media. They have talent. That's why they are speaking.
Okay, as we all know that poison is very dangerous for us. And who is making poison? It's very good for them, but we all are using in wrong way. These things means poison. We all are giving to poison to that person who is that person who is good, but in our eyes that person is bad, and we give poison to that person. So it's not good knowledge. We should not use of these things in a wrong way. That like this type of knowledge, we should use of this type of knowledge in right way. We all are knowing perfectly these things, but we all are not understanding the means of knowledge. Only we know the perfect, we know the what is knowledge,
If
but
they have if they have success to anyone, because due to because of knowledge, because they have knowledge for showing before of any person. So if you want to do anything, and if you want to grow ourselves, if you want to develop ourselves, so by the knowledge you can develop.
Yes, flip.
If you have
okay, do you know the
Flip.
if you know about English, so
okay, means marriage is very important for every person. Every person is doing marriage, but it has been
the few
converted
person are uneducated, because they don't have knowledge for doing anything. That's why they are unemployment for doing anything. If they have knowledge, so they can do, but they don't have knowledge. If anyone they want to succeed, and so first of all they should collect knowledge.
Flip.
Okay, as I was saying, means marriage. They all are making fan with red color. Do you know red color? Red color is very important for the person who has gotten married. But we all have knowledge only about that color. But we all are not understanding the means of exact meaning of that color. But we are only we know we should make fun, and we can get married anytime, everywhere, anywhere. But it's not good. We have only.
But if they have no knowledge for recognize anything, so then how will they recognize which color that is?
And in some of the situation, we know perfectly any work, but when we do that work while keeping knowledge, we do that work incorrect way. Incorrect way is not a good thing. We should not do that work By knowing these
So
things,
for recognizing anything, you should collect knowledge. By that you can recognize anything. Whatever you look nowadays. So for if you have knowledge, by that you can.
in current, in wire we use some of the wire. We should, when we touch that wire, then we can know perfectly it will be here will current come. But while knowing these things, we
So
use
only
of that
talent is not
current,
important.
and we
If
got
you have knowledge, so you can recognize anything. Only talent is here is not important.
in the some of the disease. While knowing these things, this medicine is used for is
If you
used.
have knowledge, then by that you can recognize that medicine is important for me.
What
If you
a
don't have
nice-
knowledge,
Great performance by both. Clap for both. Now you may go. Ma'am, you may. Yeah, whatever you want to speak in last, you can speak. Can you speak a quote? Yeah, you can.
Okay. हाँ. दुनिया के सारे शौक पाले नहीं जाते, कि दुनिया के सारे शौक पाले नहीं जाते, कांच के खिलौने हवा में उछाले नहीं जाते, कांच के खिलौने हवा में उछाले नहीं जाते, मिल जाती है कामयाबी एक दिन जिंदगी में, अगर तकदीर के भरोसे किसी काम को टाले नहीं जाते.
What a nice. Do you want to speak there something? Obvious speak.
लग चुकी है तलब कुछ पाने की, खुद को आग में झोंक देंगे. लग चुकी है तलब कुछ पाने की, खुद को आग में झोंक देंगे. ठोकरें कहती हैं मारा जाएगा, हौसले कहते हैं देख लो.
What a nice. Now you may go, ma'am. Said both. Okay, so next I would like to call Miss Murthy. Sahani just come, and I would like to call Miss, where are you? Anushka, just come. Ladies and gentlemen, have a big clap for both. First of all, let me know about which topic we want to speak. Disappointment, advantage or disadvantage?
Advantage.
Advantage. Okay,
No,
speak.
I tell advantage.
She will tell that is why I said Japan.
Take the advantage first.
No, she will tell.
Okay, see, we'll take the advantage. Speak.
So now I am going to tell about confidence. By the confidence, you can be anything. You can be a success person, and by the confidence, you can go anywhere. You can perform anywhere, and by the confidence, you can love many things.
Okay, flip.
Okay, Miss, I have to speak about disadvantage of confidence. Means without confidence, we can also be a success, because there is need of knowledge, education, and it is not necessary to have confidence then we can speak. It is necessary how we are speaking. Then it's a disadvantage of confidence. Means we can also say confidence is not necessary for being anything and for doing anything. Confidence is that thing, by that we cannot do anything. We cannot.
Okay, according to me, confidence is everything, because I am standing here because I have confidence and I can perform myself very well front of people, and whatever I want to do in the world I can also do without any help of person, because I have more confidence, and
If we are speaking, then here is no need of confidence, because without confidence we can also speak. Then it's also disadvantage of confidence, and we can also not say it's a part of confidence, because it's not necessary. And it we cannot say it's that thing by which way we are speaking. It's that thing by which we can say knowledge and education, by which way we speak and we perform before of any person. And disadvantage of confidence, we cannot solve quality before of
so
any
guys,
person.
I hope you will understand me the way I am speaking, because I have confidence, that's why I am speaking, and no one can say without confidence you can speak very well, and you can whatever you want to do you can do, and if you want to go anywhere on that
If you do want to do anything, then without confidence you can also do. And if you are doing any work, then there is no need to help of confidence, because there you will do hard work. You will not do by the confidence, and you will show your and if you are teaching, then there is no need of confidence. And without confidence you can't do hard work. By the confidence you can do hard work, and it is very necessary.
Flip.
It is not necessary if you are doing any work, if you are
Flip.
teaching.
Speak, flip.
Okay, if you have confidence on that time, you can take any challenge. After that, you can be a winner on that field, and you can also say to all person, just try to build confidence.
Flip.
If you want to be a famous person either anything, then there is your skill is matter. There is not your confidence, because you don't have idea about that. By the skill you will do. Without confidence, that thing you can do.
Okay, if you have confidence on that time, on that condition, you can teach to someone. You can say to someone, just try to read. As like, if you have more confidence, after that you can perform your will, and you can debate.
Flip.
There is no need of confidence if you have knowledge of for speaking for any person, so you can speak. There is no need to confidence. Okay, if you have knowledge for showing if you have knowledge for anything, so you can do anything. Okay, there is no need confidence. I have knowledge, so I am speaking. There is no need to confidence. Okay, so if you wanna do anything, so you can do by the knowledge. Okay.
Flip.
Suppose that you have knowledgeable person, but you can't speak you can't speak without confidence.
Flip.
Okay, if we want to be a knowledgeable person,
Okay, if suppose that if you want to drive a car, there is.
if you want to be a knowledgeable person, then there is no need to confidence, because you can also be a knowledgeable person having done reading, and having read perfectly, you can be a knowledgeable person.
If you want to drive car, there is most important confidence. By that you can drive proper way. Otherwise you cannot drive. On that condition you will get this.
Clap for us first of all. Okay. Now see, subscribe on our YouTube channel. Apple Speak.
Subscribe our channel.
Thank you so much for watching this video. This was Ibrahim Khan. You guys are very fantastic.
Bell icon down on the
Yeah.